Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to fix keyboard auto pressing on PC and or laptop. So first off, let's test our keyboard. Let's go to this website called Key Test here. You can find it by searching keyboard tester. On Key Test, just play around with your keyboard and make sure that you know which is the issues or the key that is auto pressing, right? If you have a mechanical keyboard, you can probably just switch out the switches. But if it's a membrane keyboard or it's a keyboard that's attached to your computer or your laptop, it might be a little more complicated than that. See, but for me, my keyboard is okay. But for you, it might be auto pressing and things like that. So the things we can do, beside taking it to the shop or to repair it, we can update the driver to see if that works. Now, the way we can do this is we can go to the search bar down here, and then you just want to search for device manager. Click on that. On device manager, you want to find the keyboard section down here. Just uncollapse that. Now find your current keyboard that you're using. For me, I'm using this one. So you just have to right click and click on update driver. On update drivers, you can search automatically for drivers, or if you have a special keyboard that needs their own driver, you can install it by pressing on this button here. So, but for me, I'm just going to search automatically for drivers, and you can see the best drivers for my device is already installed, so I don't have to do anything. But for you, it might come up as a little different. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.